welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Adyasha Naik. A very happy new year to each and every one of you. I hope this year becomes the most fruitful year, and I also hope this year brings an infinite amount of love, health, wealth, happiness, and peace to each and every one of you. Today it's going to be about a skincare routine, or the simplest kind of skincare routine, or a DIY how to get rid of acne scars. Now acne scars are something which are caused due to the acne, of course, and also pimples, which again cause due to hormonal changes, poor skin condition, and also due to pollution, and there are many other factors which are included in it as well. Now if you want to know how to get rid of these acne scars, then keep on watching till the end to know how to get rid of it in the most easiest and the most simplest routine.
Ingredients you would need are mentioned here if in case you wanna know. Those are besan 2 teaspoon, neem powder 1 teaspoon, multani mitti 1.5 teaspoon, wild turmeric or kasturi manjal just a pinch of it, olive oil half teaspoon to keep the moisture intact, and rose water as in mixing agent. And if you wanna use, you can use water instead of rose water for mixing. I use rose water to make the face pack or the mask concentrated in order to get rid of the scars within few days quickly. Mix the ingredients properly without leaving any lumps behind. Bring it to this thick in consistency. Make sure to not make it too runny. I have an oily skin and this mask helps a lot with my scars. I have been using this mask for many years now. It helps to deal with the acne scars left behind, as I said earlier, helps to deal with hyperpigmentation, gives an even skin tone after regular use, doesn't drain out moisture, basically doesn't make your skin feel dry after you wash it off, helps to remove impurities from your skin as it acts as a mild exfoliant on the skin because of the besan. You have to remove it by massaging it in circular motion. All I'm gonna do is apply it all over my face and neck evenly and let it dry. Then we shall proceed to the next step. Talking about this face mask, it has all the basic ingredients. However, wild turmeric is something I started using during these recent years before the pandemic, and it gave the mask a trigger to give faster results. The white turmeric I'm using is from Nutriactive. You can use any brand, this just upon your choice. Now wild turmeric is also called as kasturi manjal. Now the next step is scrubbing. Once the mask dries out, pat it with wet or damp finger. When it becomes a bit wet, remove it by scrubbing it gently in circular motion. It takes hardly 2 to 3 minutes to scrub it all over your face and neck properly. Just remember to be gentle. Take your time and scrub out all the areas on your face and neck properly. I know it kind of looks messy, but you do it before you take shower. That would be a lot more easier to deal with. I had to do it in order to show it to you all. Here, scrubbing it in this way will help you get rid of dead skin cells, make your skin clear and soft, as well as it will also unclog your pores to some extent. Wash off once you're done with the scrubbing, and then wet dry to proceed to the next step, that's moisturize. You can see how fresh and clear my face looks after application. And then quickly I'm simply using rose water as in toner for some hydration. After it dries off a bit, I'll be using this Derm Dog Anti-Acne Face Serum. Now just a reminder, except the DIY face mask and this procedure, moisturizing part is not compulsory. These are the products that suits my skin or I'm interested to use on myself, and will give an individual review after proper usage. I will leave a link to all these products in the description box below in case you all will be interested. After massaging the serum, I'm using this Ayurvedic face oil. I already have a review on this. I will leave a link to it also in the description box below in case you will be interested. Simply use a gel based or cream based moisturizer which suits you. That would be more than enough. I'm going extra as winters make your skin really dry even if you are someone from oily skin type. At last, I'm using this Pond's Super Light Gel as a moisturizer. It's my first time using it and it worked pretty well as well. It got absorbed quickly, but it's too early for a review, so fingers crossed. Massage all these products as massaging helps to increase blood circulation on your face in order to regenerate cell to look youthful and beautiful. Face massages help skin tissues to relax a bit and make your product absorb deep within to give you the best results. At last, I am using this lip balm from Biotech. It works pretty well with providing proper amount of hydration. Best to make it a nighttime routine as your skin will get some time to repair within itself. That's it for today's video. Bye bye. See you next time.